What up, YouTube? Been a minute, but I'm back. This time we're gonna do a new headlight install in the color, so I ain't gonna keep you waiting. Let me show you what we got. Alright, so it's basically like headlights I have on here now. The difference with these ones, they have the black housing. So right now we got all clear. We're gonna switch it over to the black housing. Can you see that? So yeah, we're gonna work on taking that out. Well, taking the old ones out, putting these ones in. Let's see how it looks. All right, so this is what we have on here now. What I'm gonna do, take these out and just trim it around here. I'm gonna take and paint that black. And hopefully it'll match the black house headlights. And the new headlights did come with just a little spot in the back here. Let's see. Put like a little bulb in there to, I don't know, have like a little blue light in there, a little accent at night or something, but I'm gonna take that out. I'm not too worried about running that. I'm just gonna keep it classic looking. I'm gonna take all that out and just, well, take the bulb out and leave the plug in it so I won't have no kind of blue reflection in it. Because I am running already HID in these, and you can't even tell anything until I turn them on, so I want to keep it that way. And you can see I took the bulbs out of these ones too, because I don't know, I didn't feel a need for it. So let me get this thing here moved and we're gonna see what it do. Alright, now mind you, it was years ago when I put this stuff together. And A through G body does not have no high beams, as you can see, because the high beam switch on the inside is broke. I never had high beams, so the high beam part is probably gonna stay pretty much empty. And I should be able to just unhook this and leave the bulb in there until I take the actual whole housing out. So look at the other side. I don't think it should be too bad. Yeah, I don't think it should be too bad. So it's looking like probably just gonna end up popping out these screws, take the housing off, and then start from there and see what we got. So I'm gonna sit y'all down and we're gonna get to work. Paint these black. Hopefully that'll make it look a little more aggressive on the front. But I'm gonna leave the trim around the headlights. I'm gonna leave that chrome to match the grill. So I'm gonna knock that side out, and then I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright, got them painted black. Put a little coat of clear on top of them. Alright, ready to go back in. All right, y'all, so we got it all back together. Let's flip this camera around and see what we're working with. So it's looking pretty good so far. I like it. Like I say, nothing major, just a little subtle touch. Make it look a little bit more aggressive. I think it looks pretty good. I see folks run these with the LEDs in them and with the projector. I like the old fashioned clean look. Just a little bit of black accent now. So let me turn on the, I did hook the lights back up too, which I am running HIDs and these. So let me turn them on, see how they look. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm gonna let them HIDs warm up for a minute. Now, like I said, my high beam switch on the inside is broke, which I probably gotta get a whole nother switch, which probably would include me taking the column loose and all that. I just ain't get around to it yet, cause this ain't no daily driver car. This something I just pull out every now and again. But yeah. All right, guys, we just put a couple dollars of gas in here. We're gonna take a quick ride, just let y'all hear this thing. And it's been a while since I had it out, so we're gonna just let it cruise for a minute. Special, quick little ride along. We're gonna get on through. I think the next video I might do for y'all will be concerning Harley EF5. After you drive it for a while, you can learn. But if you just use it to the handheld, never hook it up to the laptop, you really apply the learn setting. So I think next video I'll probably do a screen share and we'll go through the Harley software a little bit. Traffic up ahead. I think that's where I'm gonna end it off, guys. Y'all comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be back.